In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to overlap the image in Canva on an object. If you've ever added an image and found it stuck behind a shape, a text box, or another element, don't worry. This is usually just a layering issue. Canva stacks everything in your design in layers, and the order of those layers determines what appears in front or behind. We're going to quickly fix that using the Layers panel so your image sits exactly where you want it. Start by opening your project in Canva. With your design on screen, press Alt+1 to open the Layers panel. This panel shows every element in your design as a list, with items at the top appearing in front of items below them. You'll see small thumbnails and names that help you identify which layer is which. If your image is hidden, it's probably listed beneath the object that's covering it. To bring your image in front, click and hold the image layer in the list, then drag it upward until it sits above the object that's blocking it. As you drag, you'll notice a line indicating where the layer will land. Release the mouse to drop it into place. You should see the change on your canvas immediately. Your image will now overlap the object. If you prefer, you can move the object instead. Simply drag the object's layer down the list so it sits below the image. The result is the same. The element higher in the Layers panel will appear on top in your design. If you're not sure which layer corresponds to which element, click the element directly on your canvas. The matching layer in the list will highlight, making it easy to confirm you're moving the right one. This is especially helpful in designs with many shapes, text boxes, or grouped items. If an object is part of a group, it may appear as a single grouped layer in the panel. Just keep an eye on the thumbnails and names to stay oriented. Take a moment to check your layout after rearranging. If something still looks off, it likely means another element is sitting above your image. Just repeat the same drag and drop action until everything is ordered the way you want. There's no need to worry about saving every change, as Canva updates your project automatically while you work. And that's it. By using the Layers panel and adjusting the order with a simple drag and drop, you can easily overlap your image on any object and keep full control of your design's visual hierarchy.